Hi friends, this video shows how to turn on or off Samsung keyboard sound. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go to sound and vibration, tap here. Go to system sound. Then here we can find Samsung keyboard. So right now Samsung keyboard sound has been disabled. I am going to enable it. See, so this way we can enable Samsung keyboard sound. If you want to turn off, again come here, tap here and turn off. Okay, this way we can turn on or off Samsung keyboard sound. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.